Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to start a successful Uber Eats business in the USA in 2024. Imagine owning a thriving business that capitalizes on the booming food delivery industry. Today, we'll explore this exciting opportunity, discussing the potential rewards and challenges. We'll also delve into the importance of forming an LLC to protect your venture, using services like Tailor Brands for a seamless setup. So, are you ready to take the leap and start your Uber Eats business? Let's dive right in. Firstly, understanding the business model of Uber Eats is crucial. At its core, Uber Eats is a three-sided marketplace connecting a business, the restaurant, a customer wanting a meal delivered, and a delivery partner who transports the food. The restaurant prepares the meal and packages it for delivery. The delivery partner then picks it up and transports it to the customer. The customer uses the Uber Eats app to place the order, track its progress, and make payment. Now let's talk dollars and cents. Uber Eats generates revenue in three ways. Firstly, it charges a small fee from customers for every order. Secondly, it takes a commission from restaurants based on the order value. And thirdly, it charges delivery partners a fee for using the platform. Although it's a tough market with slim margins, the profitability of Uber Eats largely depends on the volume of orders and efficient operations. Now that you've understood the business model, let's move on to the practical steps. The first practical step is forming an LLC for your business. Now, why is this important? Well, forming a limited liability company, or an LLC, is an essential step for those looking to dive into the world of entrepreneurship. It offers several benefits that can greatly enhance your business journey. Firstly, forming an LLC provides protection for your personal assets. This means that in the event of any legal issues arising from the business, your personal assets, such as your home, car, or personal savings, are not at risk. By forming an LLC, you're essentially creating a distinct legal entity separate from yourself. This way, any debts or liabilities are shouldered by the business, not you personally. Secondly, an LLC also offers tax advantages. The profits and losses of your business pass directly to you as the owner. This means you report them on your personal tax return, avoiding the double taxation that corporations often face. Now you might be thinking, that sounds great, but how do I actually form an LLC? Well, there are several ways to go about it, but one of the most efficient methods is to use a service like Tailor Brands. They make the process quick and easy, guiding you through each step and ensuring everything is done correctly. With Tailor Brands, you simply provide the necessary information about your business, choose the state where you'll be operating, and they handle the rest. They'll file all the necessary paperwork on your behalf, leaving you more time to focus on the exciting parts of starting your business. Remember, forming an LLC isn't just about ticking a box off your to-do list. It's about setting up a solid foundation for your business to grow and thrive, protecting your personal assets, and making the most of tax benefits. So if you're serious about starting a successful Uber Eats business, forming an LLC should be at the top of your priority list. Once your LLC is established, you're ready for the next step. Next, you will need to get an employer identification number, or EIN. Now, what's an EIN, you ask? Good question. An EIN is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the IRS. It's like a social security number, but for your business. It's crucial because it allows the IRS to identify your business for tax purposes. Plus, it's often required to open a business bank account, apply for business licenses, and, of course, to sign up as an Uber Eats partner. So, how do you get one? The process is surprisingly straightforward. You apply directly through the IRS website. It's free, and you'll receive your EIN immediately upon completion of the application. But let's be honest, dealing with tax forms can be a bit daunting. That's where Tailor Brands can step in to lend a helping hand. They can guide you through the process, ensuring you fill out everything correctly and avoid any potential hiccups along the way. Once you've filled out the application, you'll need to provide some basic information about your business and yourself. Remember, honesty is the best policy here. The IRS needs accurate information to issue your EIN. And there you have it. With your EIN in hand, you're one step closer to launching your business. So, take a moment to celebrate this milestone. You're doing great, and you're well on your way to becoming a successful Uber Eats business owner. Now you're ready to sign up with Uber Eats. So how do you do it? Well, it's simple. First, you'll need to head over to the Uber Eats website. You'll find a Get Started button at the top right corner. Clicking on this button will lead you to the sign-up page. Now, here is where you'll need to provide some necessary information. This includes your full name, email address, phone number, and the city you'll be operating in. Remember, honesty is key here. Providing accurate information will ensure a smooth approval process. Next, you'll be asked to create a password for your account. Make sure it's something secure, yet easy for you to remember. Once you've filled out this information, you'll need to read and accept the terms and conditions. It's crucial to understand what you're agreeing to, so take your time and read through this document carefully. Now, this next step is important. You'll be asked to provide documentation to verify your identity and eligibility. This includes a copy of your driver's license, proof of insurance, and a photo of yourself. So you've filled in your details, agreed to the terms, and uploaded your documents. What's next? Click that Submit button. The ball is now in Uber Eats court. They will review your application and carry out a background check. This process can take a few days, so don't worry if you don't hear back immediately. While you're waiting, it's a good time to start thinking about how you'll manage your new business. Consider your delivery strategy and how you'll provide the best service to your customers. After your application has been reviewed and approved, you'll receive an email. This email will include all the details you need to start operating as an Uber Eats delivery partner. And just like that, you're in. You've navigated the sign-up process and are now part of the Uber Eats network. Once approved, you're officially part of the Uber Eats network. Now, let's move on to preparing your business for launch. Congratulations! You're now a part of the Uber Eats network. But before you start, there's a bit more preparation to do. Your business plan is the backbone of your operation. It should outline your goals, identify your target market, and make clear your strategies for reaching your audience. A well-crafted business plan serves as a roadmap, guiding you through each stage of your business development. Remember, the more detailed your plan, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the ups and downs of business ownership. Now, let's talk marketing. In the age of digital media, having an online presence is key. Harness the power of social media to reach potential customers. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, these platforms are all ripe for promoting your Uber Eats business. Consider creating engaging content that showcases your menu items or perhaps behind-the-scenes glimpses of your operation. You might also consider offering special promotions or discounts to attract new customers. And don't forget about traditional marketing strategies. Word of mouth is still one of the most effective ways to spread the news about your business. Encourage satisfied customers to recommend your service to their friends and family. You might even consider implementing a referral program as an incentive. The final piece of the puzzle is delivery logistics. You want to ensure your Uber Eats business operates as smoothly as possible. This means planning your routes for efficiency, ensuring your meals are properly packaged and kept at the right temperature, and delivering them in a timely manner. You might want to consider investing in high-quality delivery bags and perhaps a GPS system to help streamline your delivery process. Now, I know it may seem like a lot to consider, but remember, preparation is the key to success. With a comprehensive business plan, a dynamic marketing strategy, and a well-thought-out delivery logistics plan, you're setting your Uber Eats business up for success. With these preparations, you're ready to launch your Uber Eats business. And there you have it. You're now fully equipped to start your Uber Eats business. We've journeyed together through understanding the business model, forming an LLC with help from Taylor Brands, obtaining your EIN, signing up with Uber Eats, and preparing your business for launch. It's your turn to take these steps into the exciting world of entrepreneurship. Remember, success doesn't come overnight, but with dedication and hard work, your Uber Eats business can thrive. Good luck!